In this video, we'll show you how to replace the mirror turn signals on your Ford Edge. This is located in your side view mirror. Let's get started. You go ahead and push on one side of the mirror, and that'll pop out the other side. Now I'm going to use a plastic trim tool to try and pop this out. You can certainly use a flat blade screwdriver for this. And then come in from the other side. Looking towards the inside of the mirror, we have two electrical connectors. You can simply pull those off of the tabs, and we can remove the glass. Next, we have three tabs in the bezel here, in these three openings. We'll go ahead and pry down on each of them. Use a slight twisting motion, pushing forward on the cover. And we can remove the cover. Towards the outside of the mirror, on the lower side, we have a T10 Torx bit that is in this circular recess here. We'll remove that. We can continue moving upwards and remove the rest of the T10 Torx bits around here. We have one more here, one up here, and one more inwards here. With those removed, go ahead and pull the bezel off. Gotta be careful of the wiring harness and be careful of these tabs on the mirror motor. You can go ahead and pick up on the turn signal lamp. We have a small tab for the electrical connector. And push in on the tab and pull it out. Always check your terminals for any damage or corrosion. We can remove the protective film from the new turn signal light. Get your connector plugged in. Make sure that's fully seated, not going to pull back out. We get the inner part of the light lined up first. We can get the bezel on. Make sure that the wiring harness is free. Get the hardware in for the bezel. You gotta be very cautious with these. They're just going into the plastic housing. We can line up the tabs on the back side of the cover with the tabs on the bezel. And push those together. We'll make sure that that is fully clamped down. We can get the electrical connectors back on. And then we will line up the four recesses on the back of the mirror with the four tabs on the motor. Once you have it lined up, go ahead and press in. Now that we've finished the installation, you want to go ahead and test out the function of your mirror. You want to test out both the mirror glass's motor as well as the turn signal. We'll make sure that the mirror moves in all directions. And make sure that your blinker works.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.